Capacitors that are polarized or have polarity, positive, negative, like these, we call them electrolytic capacitors. And the way you distinguish the positive from negative pins is if you buy them new and you've got them off the shelf, one pin or one leg is shorter than the other. The shorter one is always the negative one. But you won't always know that, because once you've connected them in the circuit and you've taken them out, or if it's been used sometime, then it's been already cut short. Both of them have been already cut short. So you need to know a better way to distinguish the difference between the positive and negative pins of a capacitor. This is the correct way. Obviously the short and long pin is correct too, but that is not a professional way. You need to know the principle. If you look at these are usually cylindrical shape in a form of a cylinder, and they come in different sizes, from this size, even smaller than this, to massive ones that are used in huge industries, companies, and power stations, and they are huge, and they have special rooms for them. Anyway, one side of the capacitor, one side of the cylinder has these arrows pointing to this pin, which shows this sign negative. This is the negative one, and obviously the other one will be your positive. Capacitors are shown with these symbols and also indicated by C. So the letter C indicates the capacitor in a circuit. You can have numbers of them, C1, C2, C3, and all that, the number of the capacitor. And they're measured in sub-multiples of farad. So their unit is farad, but farad is a big unit, so the size of the capacitor would be huge, which is why you usually find the size that is written on the capacitors in sub-multiples like millifarad, usually small m, capital F. Farad always comes with capital letter F. Or microfarad, which is like a U with a big tail. We call it microfarad, and that's a Greek letter which is called mu. So mu, we call it microfarad, millifarad. This is basically, millifarad is times 10 to the power minus 3. That's times 10 to the power minus 6. Next one is 10 to the power minus 9, which is nanofarad, and it goes on to picofarad, 10 to the power minus 12. We have a list of this on our website. You can have a look. I just wanted to give you a quick introduction to the course and myself, so you can put a face on the name.